IELTS speaking. Tips. Same question, different band scores. Can you describe the place where you live? Band 5 answer.
I live in a small town. It is quiet and not many people. There are some shops and a park. My house is near the bus stop, so it is easy to go to the city.
Why is this a band 5? Simple vocabulary, very basic grammar. Sentences are short and sometimes incomplete. Limited detail and no development of ideas. Band 7.5 answer.
I live in a medium-sized town that's about 20 minutes from the city center. It's quite peaceful, with plenty of green spaces and a few small cafes that I enjoy visiting. What I like most is that it feels safe and the community is friendly, although sometimes public transport can be a bit unreliable.
Why is this a band 7.5? Wider range of vocabulary. Medium-sized, peaceful, reliable, or unreliable. More complex sentences with linking words, although what I like most. Gives opinions and reasons, making the answer more developed. Occasional minor slips possible, but overall fluent. Band 9 answer.
I currently live in a suburban area on the outskirts of the city. It strikes a nice balance between being close enough to urban conveniences while still offering a calm residential atmosphere. The streets are lined with trees, there's a local market that opens every Saturday, and I particularly appreciate the sense of community. The only drawback, perhaps, is that traffic can be heavy during rush hours, but overall it's an ideal place for me.
Why is this a band 9? Rich and precise vocabulary. Suburban, outskirts, residential atmosphere. Drawback. Natural flow with cohesive devices, while particularly overall. Balanced answer with both positives and a small negative. Native-like fluency and accuracy. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.